Okay, so if you have an N or some kind of dash, you want to go back and check if your nucleotides are correct and which ones they are. Also, if you got every nucleotide and everything was sequenced, you still want to go back and make sure it is what it is. In your lab report, you should include the chroma pictures and the blast pictures, just so I can see that you did the work. So, I made a little mistake in the previous video. It was actually the query was 54 to the G to the so 145 in the subject and query was 54. So you just want to go and upload your AB1 file now. So the the sequence files we use for BLAST and the AB1 files we use for the CHromas or for the 4peaks. So you want to go ahead and open it, and they're numbered the same way as the sequence files, just the AB1 files. So then you want to open it in the program you're going to be using. So just File, Open, and you'll get something like this. So all these peaks represent a nucleotide and the designated spot. So 120 we have what's this, a G. So the important thing to remember is that this is the query and not the subject. The reason I had you guys write down what the query number was is that you have to go back and you have to look at this number and not the subject, because that's where you're aligning. So then you can go back to this and look. So I have my forward sequence loaded here, and I want to go to query 54 to make sure that it is a G, or in case you have an N here, you want to go and see what peak is actually higher to determine what nucleotide to use. So let's find 54. So they actually tell you what numbers they are. So 54 is a G, and that confirms what we found in the sequence. So it's a G. So then we can go back to the PowerPoint and see what it actually is. So a G would